Yes, we recommend this class. Class was great. Teacher Lynn put in wonderful effort to teach us how to cook. Lots of laughter and learning. We hope to be able to host Lynn when she ever visit us at Singapore. Till then. The tour guide / teacher / host was so friendly and homey. We loved chatting with her and all the people we encountered in the tour. I personally loved the farm experience. We cooked and dined with other joiners. This is the cooking class you should take, guys. It's totally worth it. It was so much fun. The explanations were kind and good, mainly in English, but the ingredients were explained in Korean, so I didn't have any problems understanding them. Smiling face emoji. I think it's a really special experience, so it's worth taking the time to visit if you come to Da Nang. Among the things I made, the mi quang in particular was the most delicious food I ate in Vietnam. Drooling face emoji. I went wearing ao dai and took a pretty picture of it, haha. Clapping emoji. Thank you. Red heart emoji. Good cooking experience and nice teacher. Had fun and interactions with other classmates of different nationalities. Our teacher, Ali, is very entertaining. She speaks English well and knows what she is doing. It was great to be able to go to the local market, and it was meaningful to experience Vietnamese traditional farming techniques. The guide is friendly and speaks English well. Really nice and professional instructor. I love the teaching and passion of the instructor. She is very patient and we enjoy cooking. Vietnamese cooking class with my 80-year-old mother. The teachers were so kind, the food we shared was so delicious, and now I know how to cook 1 or 2 Vietnamese dishes. I felt a great benefit that anyone can easily have this experience while traveling. Those who come with their mothers or mothers will be able to experience the charm of a unique trip. Be sure to sign up for a cooking class. Great hospitality. The place was clean and the food was yummy. Learned many things but didn't manage to get the recipe. The meal was really satisfying and filling. Superb tilde. 2 tutors were definitely patient to teach us 4 courses lunch. We had a wonderful morning with cooking and yummy food. Recommend for group of friends and couples for this activity. The instructors were detailed and very friendly. Helpful tips were given along the way, and when asked they were swiftly able to provide alternatives like how vegetarian/vegan versions of the dishes could be made. The cooking class is very good. My husband and daughter are the only 3 people in the class. The teacher and the assistant are so nice. We made 3 dishes and 1 soup. The food is so tasty and the atmosphere is so friendly. We can also bring away the food we cannot finish at the class. We had a lot of fun learning how to prepare and cook the 4 dishes from Lynn and Sophia. They were both very friendly and jovial, and explained clearly the different ingredients used for each dish. The dishes tasted delicious. We were served fresh locally produced fruits with the 4 dishes we cooked. Very pleasant cooking class with a great teacher. You really get to learn about special Vietnamese dishes, how to make them and also eat them, of course. Hungry face emoji. The class was so fun and friendly. The finished food was delicious and the local restaurant that I recommended was great. I buy ingredients in the market to make it in Korea. I also speak Korean, so I mixed English and Korean. The staff are very nice, caring and share Da Nang's culture to us. We have a great time to cook and chat. The cooking dishes are delicious, easy to make and interesting. Recommend. This was a fantastic experience and I would highly recommend. My boyfriend and I cooked with 7 other people, which made it a very friendly environment. The lovely ladies that run everything were very welcoming and friendly. It was a fun experience. The setup was simple, but it was explained faithfully and I liked that it explained recipes that can be easily made at home. Chef Lynn is really kind and nice. Thumbs up emoji. It was nice to be able to communicate in English and be able to join other foreign friends. Clapping hands emoji. Clapping hands emoji.